good, YouTube? It's your favorite Shut Up and React. I want to thank you for clicking on this reaction. Disclaimer. Are you tired? Are you tired of people pausing all in the reactions, taking all day for commentary? You know what I mean? Not getting to the point. Well, guess what? You're in luck. I got 95 channels where you can take your ass on over there and subscribe over there and watch over there. Because this ain't it. This ain't it. We pause over here for a reason, goddammit. It's because I give commentary. Alright? Also, to be honest with you, I pause so I don't get copyright strikes. Alright? And it's worked so far. Let's go. Three Gods back, and he's telling people they can't die. I see something happening here. I see something happening here. And it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Hit the like button. Let's go.
If you truly figured out mathematically that you actually could never die, what would you think? What would you think about if you knew
What?
that was all just a belief system?
I feel like him being in their face like that is a fear tactic. Like, he's showing them, like, yeah, I'm in your face. You can't do shit about it. I'll slap you if you do. Like, I feel like, because you don't got to be that close to be talking to me. Especially not with the jab and all that running around. You ain't got to be that close to me talking. You can tell me from an arm's length that death isn't real. Like, I don't need you. Death isn't real. It isn't real. Now, I don't need all that, bro. You can tell me from back there.
That people you seen die was an illusion.
Where they at? He's setting them up for the
What
future.
if that could happen to everybody else but you? What if I told you that everybody else around you can die, but you can't? And you only experience death from someone else, never you. That's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you that everybody else can die, but you can't.
Try it. Go ahead, try it.
That's some crazy shit. But it's the truth. And I can...
See, these niggas are tired. I'm like, oh, we believe you. Why don't you show us? Why don't you show us you can't die? Come on, y'all. Let's all get together and watch you drink some motherfucking rat poison. Come on, let's go. Let's all sit around and watch you. Get rid of them.
Prove it with mathematics. I can actually prove that with mathematics that you can't die. That if somebody was to actually kill you, you would wake up tomorrow in the same bed. What if I told you that?
Whoa, hold on. So you said you could actually prove with mathematics, M-A-F, matics, M-A-T-I-C-S, mathematics, that you can't die. He said, so if someone were to kill you, what does kill mean? So if someone were to kill you, you can't die. I'm already confused because kill means die.
That at night when you go to sleep, you actually die. But I ensure that they'll be safe. Seth will be safe. I ensure that no one will lay a hand on a white man. And that's why I have a white boy right there to let you know that this ain't no black supremacy where we're gonna kill all the white people. No, white people will work for us. White people will be our military. White people are natural born killers. They have less remorse. That's what they're made for, military. They will be our military. White people lack emotions because...
You want a group of people that you say have no remorse, have no emotions, and are natural born killers to be your military? What's stopping them from taking you out? I'm confused. I don't get it. I'm just being logical here, people. I'm sorry.
Because they're animals. We're gods. They are our pets. We will not eradicate your fucking pets. The demons are your pets, nigga. They protect you. Your own demons that you have, if you conquer them, if you conquer your demons, they become your friends. So white supremacy is going to become our friend.
He getting gifts and hearts.
And black will rise. But they just need to know that they're not going to die for it. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to make sure that they know that under my rulership,
what is this?
We will not kill you. You will work for us. And you owe us this. And karma. And white people will. Anybody that doesn't want to do it, we'll make them an example.
This nigga speaking like he is the king.
On your knees. Back up. Surround him. Men up front, women around. No, the woman come over here. Come over here. See, we got an issue here, my nigga. And we got a demon here. Watch out, let me see this one. Look like we got a demon here, my nigga.
Ain't no way, bro.
Huh?
Ain't no
It's what we do when we got an issue in the body. When we feel a cell in the body that is foreign to us and our vibration, we surround it. To check the temperature, to make sure that the cell ain't sick in the fucking head, that we ain't got to get rid of this motherfucker. There's a problem, your vibe is off. What's going on? What's up?
I was just trying to make sure your phone was,
Nigga, hold
Fuck
your
that
head
phone.
up.
You pay attention to the group.
Question 3.
Oh. You a
Look at
hoe.
me.
You a hoe.
I know why. I know why you keep pushing back. Because you don't feel like you're black. So, yeah, let's just do it.
Did he just make this nigga change his mind? Did he just make...
So, yeah, let's just do it. To the group.
Question 3.
Look at me. I know why. Oh. I know why you keep pushing back. Because you don't feel like you're black. So, yeah, let's just do it.
Ho! 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 Ho!
You don't feel like you're a part of the group because you're a foreigner. You don't feel like one of us. So every time we start celebrating,
loyal, go home.
You step back.
Facts.
Away from the group. Loyal. You feel like you're not one of us.
Go home, loyal.
Ain't that the truth?
Yeah.
Wow.
How is that technically right? Mathematically.
It's not.
Wow.
Where is your mom from?
Bahrain.
Speak up.
Bahrain.
Bahrain?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your dad from?
Pakistan.
You one of us, nigga. You a nigga like us. You're black. From now on, when people ask you what your nationality is, you say, I'm black. Not African American. I'm black.
Question 3.
Meaning I'm God. I'm a part of a spiritual group of people that are beyond conceptualization. You cannot conceptualize infinity. You get it?
Question
That's
3.
why we're black. Black means absent of all things. God is absent of all things. This is why we wear the color black. Because we're the men and women. We're black people. We were never a part of this shit. Never will we be.
The fuck? What the fuck?
When I say that, I love you.
What?
I'm saying that I love you from the inside out, not the outside in.
From the inside? What?
I love you for who you are.
Stop batting your eyes, Loyal. Stop! Stop!
And you can't accept that, can you? From your perspective. You feel like you don't deserve that. So no matter how much I give you love, you won't accept it because you feel like you don't deserve it. And it's not until you realize that you deserve that love will you have accepted. You, like many others, I've given my love to unconditionally. But they in themselves, from their perspective, didn't feel like they deserved it, so they ran.
So what I'm hearing is Loyal handled the finances, he handled the tech. Loyal. If you ever see this video, like, randomly one day, if you just, you know, got a phone by chance and scrolling and you just want to look up 3 God and you see this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Make them all go broke and stream when they don't think you're streaming, so we can really see what go on in that house. When he don't know the camera's on, I bet all y'all get your ass whooped. All y'all. Loyal, you.
Man.
He look like my son when I'm disciplining him. My son's 10. You a grown man.
And they joined the hate nature boy tribes. Even you ran. But you can't run from yourself, kiddo. You can't run from yourself. I don't give a fuck who nationality. We're all consciousness before we're anything else. That's why you look at a man from the inside out. You look at a woman from the inside out, not the outside in. You get it?
Pushing 3.
What's your nationality?
Black.
Pushing 3.
And you one of us.
I'm pushing 3.
That's another 2. You know, keep the 3. Push the 3. Get that nigga a hug, man. Hug him out.
Now, can he get some pussy is the question. Do you allow him to get any snatch, any honey box, any sweetness, any vagina, any sex? Do you allow him to get that? I had enough. Till next time, y'all.